Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. So today is another video on 333 styling method. You guys loved the last one I did and I'm so grateful for your support. So do not hesitate to let me know in the comments what kind of content you like to see, and that would mean a lot to me if you subscribe to this channel as well if you haven't done it yet. And by popular demand, I've decided to focus on more workwear related, professional style kind of capsule wardrobe. And if by any chance you have no idea what 333 styling method means, it's basically a small version of a capsule wardrobe where you would select 3 tops, 3 bottoms, 3 tops, 3 bottoms, 3 pairs of shoes to create a multitude of outfits. And you can definitely adjust it to yourself, and this is what I'm going to do today. Instead of including 3 pairs of shoes, I would actually include 3 outerwear items. I will guide you quickly through all the items I have on my rack today. I'll probably start with what I'm wearing right now. This is a plain white t-shirt that I absolutely love. It's so easy to style. My favorite one is from Uniqlo, and I think it's the perfect weight. It's amazing for summer, it's perfect for layering when the weather is a little bit cold. I will link my favorite options down below. A quick note, of course this selection is very personal to me. I work from home, but I also have a few meetings occasionally outside of my house. I do meet clients, so I like finding the right balance between the comfort and feeling put together. Another favorite top of mine is this amazing silk blouse. It's from Suzanne. I absolutely love it. I like how flowy it is, but I also like that I can actually style it for multiple occasions. It's perfect for professional meetings, but also if I have any special events outside, I can definitely see myself wearing it. It has very pretty embroidery over here. It's perfect for layering, but again, if you don't like the idea of wearing silk, that's absolutely up to you. Look for a different button-up shirt made of cotton. That will be so much easier to take care of, or linen if it's something that works best for your lifestyle. But yeah, that would be my choice for today. And this one, it's such an easy item to wear. It's a classic cut, and you know, I really like this delicate striped pattern. It's not too overwhelming if you do Zoom calls. It still looks quite professional. It's from Massimo Dutti, but I will link other options as well for you. If you regularly go on a business trip, my advice would be to invest in tank tops with inbuilt bra. They help me create a lot of outfits so effortlessly. I think they're amazing for layering. I didn't count it as my 3 items, as I think it's rather underwear, but yeah, again, it's a nice way to save space in your luggage, but also have items that could help to create more outfits. Right, so when it comes to the outerwear, I definitely love wearing blazers, and this is what helped me feel put together, feel more confident, so I definitely included these items in my capsule wardrobe. So this one is from Dressard, it's custom made, and I made another video on this one as well. I love it so much. It's light color, but I mean, the quality is amazing. It's made of Italian fabric. I definitely encourage you to invest in less items, but high quality. They will serve you for years to come. Another favorite blazer slash jacket of mine is another custom piece from Dressard. I love it. It has a relaxed fit. It's half lined. It's so easy to wear. But I can totally understand that wearing blazers is not your cup of tea. So in that case, you might opt for cardigans. If you've been here for a while, you've definitely seen me wearing this beautiful cardigan for quite some time. I love it. It has such a pretty pattern. And being a neutral color palette, it helps me create a lot of outfits. It's truly me. It's a nice blend of masculine and feminine details. I would definitely recommend you to invest in cardigans. It doesn't have to be a neutral color cardigan. You can play with colors here. You can add a pop of color by choosing a red cardigan like this one. This is another favorite of mine. I haven't included it into my minimalist capsule wardrobe, but of course it's entirely up to you. Choose the color that makes you feel happy. Do not hesitate to add colorful items. Even if we're talking about minimalist capsule wardrobe, it doesn't have to be boring. It has to represent your personal style. So find the right color and yeah, just play with it. Right, moving on to the bottoms. The trousers I'm wearing right now are custom made by Dressart. I was really struggling to find the right fit. You know, it's very flattering for my body shape, and I definitely recommend you guys, if you have a local tailor, opt for custom clothes. They can instantly help you feel more confident, speaking from experience. White colors might not be the most versatile one for someone, but I live in a country where it's literally summer all year round, so it definitely works perfectly for me. So another pair of beautiful trousers by Dressart as well. Actually, they are the same. I ordered this one in black at first, and then I decided to repeat the same style in white. I think it's such a staple for a professional wardrobe, and again, play with styles to see what works best for you. If you have no idea what suits you best, make sure to work with a stylist. Get in touch. I have a couple of stunning packages to offer, and yeah, I would be really happy to help you find the most flattering outfits. That item is my favorite jeans. I've had them for, oh gosh, I don't even remember. I think that's the beauty of having a nice quality pair of jeans. You can literally style them for so many occasions. And 3-3-3 styling method doesn't say anything about accessories, but I think this is what makes all the difference. This is how you reflect your personality. I love wearing belts, and that's why I've included a few into my selection. Well, actually one is enough. I'm just, you know, I wasn't really sure which one to go for, and they help me tie the whole look together. What next? Bags. Well, one is enough, really. You don't have to have a lot of items in your wardrobe. I don't go anywhere without my sunglasses, so I definitely included it into my capsule wardrobe. Of course, the jewelry. I'm wearing a very pretty pair from Linea today, but normally I'd go for classic style earrings, something like that. But they're perfect for professional environment. I also have my necklace. You know, it's just really small details that can help you elevate your outfits, and I truly love that. And whenever I travel, by the way, I love bringing this small jewelry case with me. It's just perfect. I love wearing ballet flats all year round. It's just because, again, it's summer here. I can't imagine any capsule wardrobe without comfortable shoes. So a pair of sneakers, white sneakers. I don't have one yet. Honestly, I'm happy with my Converse. I love pairing it with my trousers, and they help me create such a nice balance between comfort and professional look. I will show you in a minute. So yeah, a pair of nice, sleek white trainers could be amazing here too. I might probably add just a pair of black shoes. Being petite, I really try to match my footwear with my bottoms because it helps me create a streamlined look. Shall we get changed? That could be my first look, right? I will just add sunglasses. I love them. And let's see. Let's add a bag. Yeah, I definitely see myself wearing it to meeting with a client or some presentation. That could be just perfect. Right, let's see what we can do with the rest of the items I have selected. I hope you enjoyed it. And don't forget to hit super thanks buttons as well if you really like this video. And yeah guys, see you later. So I'm keeping the same base, but just decided to style it with a different blazer. And you can see the difference it makes. And I definitely love it. And I definitely like this combination of blue and white. This is just truly me. As I mentioned in one of my videos, rolling up your sleeves could make such a huge difference, and actually it's all about the details. I really loved creating the outfits. I really hope you enjoyed the process. Let me know in the comments your favorite looks. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share this video. That will mean a lot to me if you join this community. And I really hope to see you in the next one.